Welcome to the Public Speaker Training and Workshop Facilitator certification. Are you passionate about inspiring or training others because you want to make a difference? Do you want to be a professional speaker or enhance your skills? Would you love to facilitate training or group programs? Do you want to expand what you currently do by getting in front of an audience? Or do you want to develop your own workshops and programs teaching what you know and love? If so, we can relate. We have over 30 years of combined experience speaking and facilitating, and have presented and developed programs for government agencies, corporations, social services, conferences, high schools, colleges, as well as developed and produced our own programs, workshops, and conferences. Upon completion of this course, you will also receive the designation of PWF, Professional Workshop Facilitator, which reflects your commitment to excellence as well as an official certification.
We all know from experience that you may be running into roadblocks that keep you from making the difference or the living that you want to make as a speaker and a facilitator. For example, you may want to be a speaker and a facilitator, but you're terrified to speak in front of audiences. Or you believe you have value to offer, but you fear you're not credible enough. Or you may want to become a corporate trainer and a keynote speaker or lead seminars and workshops, but you simply don't know how to get started in the industry. Or you currently do presentations, but you want to improve your skills such as communication, control of the room, raising that energy, persuade the audience to action, and increase the level of confidence that you have as a speaker. Or you're working in one of the industries we've mentioned, but you aren't making the income you know you can be making. We understand because we've all been there, and that's exactly why we developed this program. Not only will we be teaching you industry's best practices and proven strategies we've picked up along our personal journey, but we will also include all the tools, methodologies, and techniques you need to know to become a world-class facilitator and speaker.
Joelle and Natalie Rivera of Transformation Academy are life coach trainers and entrepreneurs who have trained hundreds of thousands of people from around the world. Their content is based on their educational background in psychology and education and nearly 2 decades of experience in the fields of life coaching, social services, and entrepreneurship, as well as Joelle's background as a psychology instructor, his master's degree in counseling, and research on happiness for his dissertation for a PhD in psychology.